Good morning students. Our next topic is Women's Meankar Bank. Okay, it is on page number 12. So the next question is, the meeting of the Meankar Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. Okay, so they have opened a bank. Its name is Meankar Bank and Fazila is its president. 20 fisher women have made their own bank. Okay, so total how many participants are there, children? 20. Okay, each saves rupees 25 every month. So every participant saves 25 rupees each month, okay, and puts it in the bank. Now see, based on this, our first question is, how much money does the group collect each month? Okay, so we have to tell that how much money is collected in all in 1 month. Okay, so see, money saved by each person every month is rupees 25. So money saved by 20 people every month is equal to, okay, for one person we know rupees 25, we have to calculate for 20%, okay, and for more we always multiply. So this rupees 25 will be multiplied by number of participants. 25 2 ja 50 and the 0 we will put at the back. That means how much rupees they will save? They will save rupees 500 every month, okay. Next is, how much money will be collected in 10 years? Okay, so next you have to tell this that in this way how much money will be collected in 10 years. Okay, so first of all, see, money collected in 1 month. Okay, see, in 1 month how much money is collected? Rupees 500. Okay, so for 1 month we know we can calculate for 1 year, because in 1 year how many months are there? 12. So for 1 month we know, for 12 months we have to calculate, and for more we always multiply. So the value of this 1 month saving will be multiplied by 12, because we have to calculate 12 months saving. Okay, now 12 5 ja 60 and 2 zeros at the back. That means how much rupees are saved? Rupees 6,000 are saved every year. Okay, and for we have to calculate for 10 year. Now that we know for 1 year, we have to calculate for 10 year. Again, we know the value for 1. We have to calculate the value for more. We always multiply. So the value, the savings for 1 year are rupees 6,000. And we have to calculate the savings for 10 years. So it will be multiplied by 10. Okay. So 6,000 multiplied by 10, we will get 60,000. Okay. Next is our practice time. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net. Okay, so there is a girl, Gracie. She took a loan of rupees 4,000 for purchasing a fish net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. Okay, so she paid rupees 345 every month to the bank, and she did it for complete 1 year. Okay, how much money did she pay back to the bank? Okay, so you have to tell that in this 1 year total how much rupees she has paid back to the bank. Okay, so loan taken by Gracie is how much? Rupees 4,000. Okay, amount paid by her in 1 month. So how much rupees she had paid in 1 month? Rupees 345. Okay, so amount paid by her in 1 year, and in 1 year how many months are there, children? 12 months. Okay, we know the value for 1 month, we have to calculate for 12 months. Okay, so that means this 345 rupees will be multiplied by 12. Okay, and on multiplying you will get rupees 4,140. That means she has returned rupees 4,140 to the bank in this 1 year. Similarly, you can do B part on your own. Okay. Next is our, see, a bill is made here. Okay. First column, items are mentioned. In the second column, price of each is given. In the third column, number of items is mentioned. And in the fourth column, we have to calculate the cost. Okay, now see, borewell for fresh water. Okay, so price for each one borewell is rupees 3,000, and how many borewells are needed? 1. Okay, so what will be the cost of one borewell? That means rupees 3,000. Okay, next is bamboo rack for fish drying. Okay, and cost of one bamboo rack is rupees 2,000, and we have to purchase how many bamboo racks? 20. Okay, so cost of 1 is given, cost of 20 we have to find. That means what we will do, we will multiply these two. Okay, and 2 2 ja 4. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 zeros you will put at the back. That means how much? 40,000 rupees are needed for buying 20 bamboo racks. Okay, next is your cement tank. Cost of one cement tank is 1000 rupees. And how many cement tanks we have to purchase? 4. Okay, so cost of 1 is known, you have to find the cost of 4. That means cost of more you have to calculate, and for that we always multiply. Okay, cost of 1 will be multiplied by number of items. So 1000 multiplied by 4 will give you how much? 4000. Okay students, then is your tray and knife. Okay, so cost of one set of tray and knife is rupees 300. And how many such sets are needed? 20. So we know the cost of 1, we have to calculate the value of 20, we will multiply. Okay, so in the same way we will multiply the digits. 3 2 ja 6 and number of zeros are 1 2 3. 3 zeros you will put at the back. That means 6000 rupees are needed. Bucket, cost of each bucket is 75 rupees. And how many such buckets are needed? 20. Okay, so for that you will multiply these two. So you will get rupees 1500. Okay, then he is saying total cost to set up the factory. Okay, so this is the bill of all the items needed to set up the factory. Now he is asking total cost. So for total we always add. Okay, and when you will add all this, you will get rupees 54,500. Okay, in the same way this bill you can prepare it on your own. Now see, next is when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. Okay, so that means suppose if 9 kg fish we will dry, so after drying how much will be left? 1/3 of 9 kg. That means 3 3s are 9. How much kg will be left? Only 3 kg. Okay, this is just an example. Now let us see what he is actually asking in the question. In 1 month they plan to dry 6000 kg of fresh fish. Okay, so they are planning to dry 600 kg fresh fish. Okay, so he is asking how much dried fish will they get in a month. Okay, so how much fish is left after drying? Only 1/3 of its weight. So 1/3 of how much? 6000 kg you have to calculate. That means 1/3 of means multiply. Okay, so when you will cancel it, 3 2 ja 6 and these zeros will come at the back this way only. Okay, so that means after drying only how much fish will be left? 2000 kg. Similarly, you will prepare this bill on your own. Okay, that's your homework, and with this we have completed first chapter of maths. Thank you.